Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off active status on WhatsApp. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off active status on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And from over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three dotted icon. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on settings on the list. And over here guys, you can see your privacy option available for us, which is just below the account. Tap on privacy, and over here where it says the last seen and online, just under the category with the who can see my profile info, tap on last seen and online. And over here where it says the who can see when I'm online, tap on same as last seen, and on the who can see my last seen, tap on nobody. This way guys, nobody will be able to see if you're online or not. And that being said guys, this is how to turn off active status on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.